Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show how to make egg white wraps with xanthan gum. Whisk 4 egg whites with a pinch of salt and 1/8 teaspoon xanthan gum until slightly frothy. Heat a non-stick pan over medium-low heat and pour a thin layer of mixture, swirling to coat. Cook until set, flip briefly, then cool on a rack. Stack with parchment to store gently in the fridge. Combine measured egg whites, a small pinch of salt, and xanthan gum to build structure and flexibility in the wrap. Use a whisk or hand mixer for even incorporation and short whipping to avoid bubbles. Preheat a non-stick pan to medium-low so the mixture spreads thin without browning. Pour carefully, swirl to create an even layer, and reduce heat as needed for gentle cooking to prevent tearing. If you're enjoying this guide, please subscribe and like if you find the video helpful. Quick recommendation: upgrade your clean game with the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum, which offers voice control and smart mapping to tidy up crumbs and spills while you cook. It partners nicely with kitchen projects so you can focus on recipes. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Pouring technique and heat control are the keys to perfect egg white wraps. Keep the heat low enough so the base sets slowly and the top finishes without bubbles. Tilt the pan to spread a wafer-thin layer and watch for edges to release before flipping. Use a silicone spatula to support the wrap while flipping and finish with a brief second side cook to avoid dryness and cracking.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.